for second round. Fighters, timer. It's the second round for main event flyweight division. On the blue corner, we have Ernie Escobia. From the red corner, Jake the Snake Masanya. It's another round from the other side of the world. It really is a fight for tonight, for everyone here at New Lingkod. Lingkod, kaya ang timekeeper gusto ko po tanaw. Okay, so hindi para mabantayan ng time, kundi taro mo tanaw. This is the second round for main event flyweight division. Ang ibang hangyo sa third rounder ng girl, makaabot ka na nakatag siya. That's a drop. I just really don't know who are their coaches and who are their instructors. But all I know, people are shouting outside the octagon. Hindi sila ko artik mo kayo mga bulok ko. Justice. Ang akong half-time report. We are on our main event, the flyweight division in the blue corner, Ernie Escobia. Malak kabalo si Christian, and on the red corner, will Jake the Snake Masanya. They are both from Davao City, and they're changing colors. There's a hit down. That's the last 10 seconds.